Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Look behind your back. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers. Standing in this shade. Going louder, we are all one color. Standing in their way.
Hi, and welcome back to another video. Just when we thought we were done with solar project for this year, well, it turns out that we have a few more we have to take care of before this year eventually comes to an end. So I currently find myself at a place known as Poultry, which is in the Ashanti region. It's closer to Adansi Asokwa. So if you've ever heard of that place, or you've heard of Bekwai, so that's a stretch of road. Yes, that is where Poultry is located. And backstory, I was here, that was like about 2 years ago, somewhere in 2023, around May, to do a survey of this place. By then, the farm was not entirely set up yet, so I didn't know the installation was going to happen. Interestingly, this year, the owner contacted me, told me he's bought some accessories and panels and the rest, so he would want to have us do the installation for him. So we came over, that was yesterday. We got here sometime like around almost 12 p.m. We did our best. We were able to complete like about 60% of work, and then we came by this morning. So we lodged and came by this morning to have it complete. So that is what we've done here. So behind me, you can see the panels on top of the roof. We have a total of 24 pieces of 100 watts. Yes, 100 watts. That is the smallest size panel we've ever installed. So 24 pieces of that, giving us a total of 2,400 watts of power or energy. And then we have a 5 kilowatt 48 volt inverter, which is SRNE, and also we have 10 kilowatt lithium batteries that is down there. So far that is the system we've installed. This is pretty much a straightforward system. Unfortunately, the wiring of the house hasn't been done yet because we're not close by to the grid. They didn't know when we were going to eventually get electricity. But now that we've connected the power, the electrician is going to come by to do the electrical installation for them. So what we've done also is just to do some temporal light for them, as well as socket for them, so they're able to charge their things and then also have some light in the evening. So far so good. It's been good coming by and sticking and staying and then having the installation done. Behind me you can hear the chickens here. That's the chicken coop over there, and they are very excited. They've been making noise since we completed the installation. Yeah, they're very, very excited. Finally, they are going to also have some light or electricity to enjoy. And I must say, around this particular place, there hasn't been any electricity nearby because the endpoint of the grid isn't anywhere close by. So this is, sort of a bit of relief for them over here in the farm to be able to power their operations, mill their feeds, the pump water, among other things. So it feels good here to be able to, also one way or the other contribute to some, businesses, especially with our skills and the rest. So for the system, as usual, we have the normal safety accessories, that is SPDs, breakers, yeah, and then we have our MCCB for the battery as well. So it's been 2 days or maybe 1.5 days of installation. We are entirely done. If we had arrived a bit earlier, because our journey from our place here was like 4 hours, but yeah, if we had arrived a bit earlier, we would have completed everything yesterday. So as of now, it's like around 10 a.m. and we are done with everything. We're about to set off back to where we came from. So that is just about it. Signing out from Dumpoase, and well, the year is still, we're still in 2025 in December. So in case you want to have any solar projects done, maybe you can reach out. You never know, we may be able to come by to have it done for you, just as we'll be doing for someone who intends to have light before electric or have electricity before December 25th. So we'll also be working on that to get that done somewhere in the eastern region. So far so good. This year has been great with numerous solar projects, and each and every one of them have been very successful. We've not had issues with any one of them so far, and it feels good, being able to work on systems that sometimes can be problematic, but you end up getting it right and you don't have complaints here and there. And even when there are minimal complaints, you show up and then you have it resolved. Yeah, so it's been a good year, and thank you all for being a part of our solar journey as well as our construction journey. Yes, I'm sure you may be asking if I've stopped building. We've actually been working on some building projects. I just haven't had time to share some with you, but I'll be doing so hopefully in the coming days or weeks. So you see some of the projects we've been working on the low side. So that'll be just about it. Thank you very much for watching, and we are signing out from Dumpoase, which is close to Adansi Asokwa in the Ashanti region. So I'll see you in the next one.
Harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the same.